Okay guys, here's the deal. Terra Luna Classic is looking extremely bullish at the moment. We've seen a substantial increase in price, which has led us to a lot of new users joining the ecosystem. They're acquiring assets off of CEXs and they're seemingly bringing them over to the blockchain and they're staking them. They are becoming part of the existing ecosystem and they're joining for the long haul. I'm even hearing mutters and whispers from influencers that previously covered SHIB now suddenly saying that LUNC is the better choice. It is community controlled. We can burn through these assets. Terra Luna Classic's future is looking very bright, and it's as if the stars are beginning to align for us Terra Luna Classic holders. The Fear and Greed Index done a huge jump last night, all the way up to 46. We're going to be getting another update in around 6 hours, and the previous update I covered, I said this was going to happen. This is a market that is on the edge. We have been in one of the longest bear markets we've ever seen, and your boy, the man, the myth, the legend himself, Donald Jizzle Trump, has stated that he has total control over the Strait of Hormuz and no ship can enter or leave without the approval of the United States Navy. It is sealed up tight, giggity, until such time as Iran is able to make a deal. Thank you for your attention to this matter, President Donald Jizzle Trump. Things are looking extremely bullish. And if that wasn't enough for you, the Clarity Act definitely is. This is something that is going to have a major effect on the crypto ecosystem. And although a lot of people think it's going to be instant, that it's going to happen all at once, it's not. It's going to be a scenario where all of these rules are put in place. And then all of these financial giants like Morgan Stanley are going to figure out how to play the game. And then we're going to see a major uptick. And when I say major, I actually mean nuclear explosive move upwards. You are talking moves that you've never seen before in your whole entire life in crypto. And I'm talking about guys that have been here since day one. Look, I'm telling you, LUNC is the next big thing. Forget about Shiba Inu, says all of these news outlets, as there is no durable adoption and it is just hype. The sad thing here is when people actually go in and do their own research on SHIB, you begin to figure out that, oh, hang on a minute, whales control all the assets. I never had a chance, and we're never going to burn through the trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions of trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions of trillions and trillions of coins. It's impossible. The SHIB community have been lied to, and they have been used and harnessed to push a narrative that was completely false. And many YouTubers jumped on this bandwagon, showing these charts about, oh, I can burn through these assets. On LUNC, we've already burned through 500 billion coins. We've decimated the USTC supply. And that's why the price of LUNC is starting to look very interesting. This is why we're seeing a major uptick, a major increase. And for all of my delegates, for those of you who have supported me from day one, those of you who have chosen to stake with a validator, that makes a difference. I'm giving you guys 100% USTC rewards indefinitely. No hoops, no signups, no funny business, fully automated. That's going to be rolling out in around 40 days, and all you need to do is simply delegate with my validator. And if you're not delegating with us, redelegate to us. It's that simple. We're backdating it. 10 days have already passed. So you've got people that have already got on board 10 days ago that are racking up rewards on their cashback system. The quicker you get involved, the more you're going to be getting on that first juicy airdrop, rolling out that 100% USTC commission. This is going to make a huge difference for you, the average Joe, because LUNC and USTC are in prime positions right now to go explosive. Accumulating at this point, like so many people suddenly are, is not only intelligent, but it is the smarter move in the market. We have been held back for far too long. We are an organized chain. We are community-led. Yeah, we have a poor decentralization issue, but we're going to solve it as we have solved many issues before it. The persistence and perseverance of each community member in Terra Classic is what makes it special. People say invest in tech. Yeah, that's great. I invest in communities, and that's what I did almost 4 years ago with Terra Luna Classic. I came here with nothing, no coins, just like everybody else, and we worked our way up. And I'm proud to be a member of the Terra Luna Classic community. Period. No one will ever be able to take that away from me. And to celebrate all of this amazingness and how great you guys are and how much you've supported me, my family, LUNC Dash, the metrics, the apps, getting us to where we needed to be, whether it was with voting power, to do the bidding of the community, to really punish those who are manipulating the chain. I'm giving you guys a further 1% LUNC commission rate permanently, fully automated, and it's going to be fully backdated from today, meaning those that get on board now will be getting a hefty airdrop when it does go live in around 50 to 60 days. So these are two separate instances, one boosting your USTC rewards to 100%, and the second one giving you almost 99% of the available LUNC rewards. It is going to be a great day to be delegating with my validator. And we've got a huge plan. We are going to harness the voting power, and we are going to punish all nodes. We are going to punish Dutch LUNC. We are going to remove the monopoly that these two validators have gained and garnered over this blockchain. I'm going to make it unprofitable for you to come in like Dutch LUNC did and abuse the system, purchase a load of coins, and come in and have this community over in a hoodwinked manner where you're running a monopoly. And it's the same for all nodes. I'm coming for you both. And the community are going to be the ones that powered it from day one till when it's done and dusted. I did this with Hexagon, and I will do it again, as I have done many times before on this channel, where I say something and I go out and I actually do it. For those of you wondering, where can you actually grab LUNC? It's shocking. You won't believe this. You can get it nearly everywhere. For a decentralized chain that has no central point of authority, no one that is the big cheese, if you will, the Donald J. Jizzle. It's a situation where we have managed, and because we have managed, we are being provided for, because we have something to give. All of these CEXs see something in us that we might not have seen for a long time, but I certainly see it. I am going to fight, and I am going to take the gloves off, and I'm going to get this done. And we will lead this blockchain to greener pastures and a true decentralized future where all validators are benefiting, not just two greedy ones. For far too long, all nodes has had the run of the mill. We let them get away with it. And now it's clear. The DCM is being abused by Dutch LUNC to gain and garner more rewards than anyone's ever got out of the system before. What's this person providing back? Nothing. And my educational advice for those of you who may have acquired some LUNC today, download LUNC Dash on iOS or Android. Send your LUNC from whatever CX you purchased it from to your new on-chain wallet and stake it, because you're going to be getting LUNC and USTC. And you better bet your bottom dollar that when the price goes up, you will wish you did this sooner. I have tutorials available on my channel. Just go to playlists. There is everything that you would ever need there. And if you're still confused, reach out to me through the direct contact link in the description below. Drop a comment and I will get back to you, and I will do my best to help you guys out. Don't forget, for those of you who do find yourself in the horrible situation that you've somehow had your wallet penetrated and someone's got your seed phrases, please understand that if your assets are in delegation, we have a high probable chance of saving those assets. And we charge nothing. All nodes charges around 12%. We charge nothing. Zero. You know where you should be staking with. You know who's going to take this chain to the next level. And it is not going to be the sackless validators that are introducing a new staking system where they're taking assets from the beloved community pool, what we've all protected for a significant amount of time, to feed themselves once again. The validator set chose themselves. I choose the community. Stop delegating with retard validators. That's my not financial advice and my educational advice. I'll be absolutely certain to do the top 10 worst validators on Terra Classic. We'll do an iceberg. It'll be great. It'll be the next tinfoil hat conspiracy theorist thing. But look, guys, I mean what I said. We are currently developing this system so it works in harmony in the exact same way that you get your rewards anyway. So you just simply delegate or redelegate. No signups, no hoops, no nothing. And it is a true system. I have been going in and looking at all of these lying scumbag validators that are like, yeah, you know, we got 100% rewards and UST. No, they don't. The craziest thing is how much work's actually gone into developing these systems. You guys know that we know the ecosystem probably better than anyone at this point, and it was still complex for us. But it's a beautiful system, guys. Stay safe, redelegate, share this to your mums, nans, cats, cousins, aunties, whoever you need to. We have to overwhelm the SHIB community with knowledgeable information that our chain is everything that SHIB was supposed to be. And we do not have trillions and trillions of trillions of trillions and trillions of... We don't. We're now in a situation where I have done so much work that the SEC are going to burn around 5.90% of the USTC supply, right? So you've already got that to look forward to if you just onboarded. If you love burns and you're into big burns, we're going to be burning that much of the USTC supply. The likelihood is we're going to see another 50% burn of the USTC supply because TFL left the bulk amount on Binance. This is a chain where people are actually doing things. And if you are a SHIB holder and you've come across this video, I implore you, take 10 minutes to do a little bit of research on your top holders, how much assets have been burned, what the actual market cap would be if SHIB was to hit the supposed dollar as Matthew Perry says. Guys, you're smarter than this. Stay safe, stay humble, stay aware, and I'll catch you in the next one.